Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be unboxing my ring light and also telling you guys a little story. Yeah, so welcome back guys. So guys, I can't hear organize the people them over there, so they make from morning then today, you know, and then they know, so they want to do the baga there, you know. As me say, me I go do video, baga. You know? So guys, me have to end up coming at house, lock up the door them, so no sound now come in at the baga. Me I try using the light here, but they're not bright enough, so I'm gonna look as brown as I look. Yeah, but yeah, me I try turn on the flashlight. You have to just put it down on the ground and it shine up on my face, but that not work either. So you think start the video with the quality, yeah? Start the video with this quality or just with the man gone with him baga. Anything. You know me I do a video because a good while when I post my video and I need something pay. I say if the flashlight you come on, things that go on. But anyway guys, let's jump into the video. Right? And we don't want to long either, so you're gonna jump in a video. I don't know how my camera work. If you don't watch the last video, I don't know it work because my camera, you go so, you get brown with it. I not even know it work. But anyway guys, we're gonna jump in a video. Alright, so as I said earlier, never unbox my ring light. They're excited. Alright, so it's a 14-inch ring light, LED. Alright. I'm soon telling you the price, how much I get it for. Alright, the guy did actually show me how to set it up. So I'm going to get it out of the box and all of that. And then I start back the camera because I don't want it to run too long. I remember me have a story I want to share with you. Alright, so people, really and truly, I wanted this for my birthday. When I never get it for my birthday, I said, I'm like, yes. My sister go get it for me Christmas because she always hear me I talk about this ring light. But girl not far for me. So what I had to do, I go get that myself. Sister not far from me, and you know really and truly I wanted it from her. You smell it, I really want to buy it for me. So guys, ta-da! Wow! It can't get all these things. So guys, I have a ring light, so I'm going to take that because you guys remember what the guys have to do. Alright, so this box here have the light and the remote and some other fittings that go in there ring light. Alright, now watch the time because we don't want it to run too long as we said. Because we can't bother for the cut out and edit this and that. We can't bother sometimes. Alright, so this side of the foot. Yeah, girl. She have her ring light. You can talk to her. Things like that. You see all this light here? You go and dim yourself. You go and come. You go and wait till Mr. Ring light pop out. And come go on with himself. Anyway, guys, I want to story for tell you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start screw up this now. And then start the story. So. What part for this thing? Come on, show me something like that. So. Oh, it must be another box, not the little box. Me put on, you know, say something like that. Like, I'm not saying about people. Anyway, guys, I'm going to tell you now where I buy it and how much I get it for. Enough Malika is income. Yeah. So, story now. the day me almost get raped, right? So normally when me I go to school, me I walk from in a town, go up George Park, run at the back Colonel the road, go up George Park, and go St. James High, right? This man always out there. You know one car. I don't never live in a car or what, but every morning me I pass, me see him. Every evening shift, me I walk past, me see him. So me always I say, is either he live there. So this one is we connect in here, so we can push this in here. So he live in the car or he live close by. So he normally see me a morning time and greet me, afternoon greet me, whenever I see me greet me. And he said to me, you know, he's a nice girl. He's a nice girl, and I admire how you always go to school and come on Rasta man. If you used to go to school in my time, I used to walk past, I said, you must know him. And he said to me, say, he's a nice girl, and I admire how you go to school, and when you go to school, you just go back home. That's very nice. I like that about you. So till next time he tell me say me nice and anything I want, I must ask him for it. And don't afraid to ask him. But anyway, me kind of did shy and fufu. So every morning he said morning, me say morning, and me go about my business. You know, say one day a man come and he offer me something. I don't know if he carry something. I don't remember exactly how, but I know say he give me something. And he said, no, he didn't offer me something rather. And I said, no, I don't want it, thanks though. And he said, alright, if you don't want it, that's fine. So, the next time, I want to go through this again. So, one next time again, he offered me something again, and I think they take the time there. And from that is like, he said to me, say, me tell us anything you want, you can ask me for. Here? And me still never ever ask him for nothing, but now whenever he give me something easy and me take care, me say no man, that's alright. So till he tell me, remember when exactly he said to me, but he said to me say like, me have something for you and me want you to follow me go feed, right? Because me not have a palm, so me need you to follow me go feed. So me say, alright, me know him long enough and you know, me pass him this every day. So, me not thinking go hurt me, but in my mind, see him even though me I say that, me ask him, so what if I rape this man or rape me, or he want to carry me, go kill me, or what? But anyway, me just say, alright, let me go. Me take up my enough self. I think I was in grade 10 that time. Me take up my enough self and go with the man. The man go up what you call it so? Westgate. Westgate, where Canefield there, Burger King gas station, then you have a Canefield. He reach up at the Cane up there so up at Westgate with me. When you reach up at Westgate with me, good boy turn off of the road. He tell me say catching all him, I go pick up whatever and carry and give me and then drop me back. So me can go home. So me say, alright, no problem. Me ask him for him, say, why you live? Him and his mother, him and this, him and that. So me say, alright, good, so he's safe then. Let me check it out. The man turn off and carry me in the cane piece. When he carry me in a cane piece, me didn't know me I look in my car back if rope in there. Me I look if no knife, they don't come me sit down on my back. And me I look over a chunk, if no rope did if no knife did what this man I carry me? And then me start plan, oh me go attack him or something. And me say to him first, say, where you come over here? So he said, no man, I something leave over here, so I'm just go pick up here and come back. When good man stop the car, he come out of the car. And me I looking at me lock my door. One time I lock my door. When me there, yeah, I'm not come out of the car, not come out of the car right over here, so we are going to feed. And I said, no, me not come out. And he said, come, and he won't come back around the car door and I try to open it. And me I said, no sir, this serious. And I say, you tell me, say I got catch you, I go pick up something, so where you carry me come here so far? This man not do nothing more than run the come back round the other door, so we just rush out through this door here, and me don't know how man fast up. But he run come round and he catch me. And when he catch me, hold on palm me and then me fight him and me kick him. And when time me kick him, he did it and he drop and then he run and he grab me palm my foot again. And me kick, but me not ball out, you know, because me no want no crowd come see me and then people got, me don't know what did that happen. And then my mother would have ear and something. So me never want all of that. So me stay calm and me fight, but me a fight him, you know, like me not shout. And me a fight him and me kick him off. And then me crawl up, whole line face, me cry him up. And then me run. Me say me run go straight out of the road. And you see them reach out of the road, people? You know want to see girl walk normal like nothing never happen. You know want to see girl walk normal like nothing never happen. Because me never want to draw no attention and no crowd. And he drive out and he take time, and when he drive and come, he say he drive beside of me and I say, come in and care no. Me never go there no attack me go talk. Me say talk to me. It's alright. Thank you very much. Me I go home. Here people, good boy didn't want to rape me. No other explanation. Good boy didn't want to rape me. And he said to me, say, no, but I never do nothing like that. You know, so when me pass a morning time and they go to school and some people, me see him, I still tell him good morning. Good morning, me still do it. Me still tell him good morning. Because guess what? I made it wrong to take up myself, but me gone with man. So, me still tell him morning and greet him and something, man. Alright, so, watch out. You don't wait for this to go in because you know, long enough. It's not long enough. Alright guys, I don't want the video to be too long, so as me always tell you, I pause here and come back. I try to figure out this and come back. Guys, when girl run from over the cane field in here, I'm not sure yeah. It's when I run from over the cane field, me I tell you say, good girls start walking in the road because first thing, people are going to wonder, say, what happened? You know, why me I run? Why me I come from a bushy place and I run? You know, they and then they had it about 16, 17, somewhere there, so you don't know, say, police station, the mother carry me and then my mother go here and then this and all kind of stuff. So, I walk normal after me come from over at KMPs. Walk normal. I remember like I yesterday. And every time he see me, he call to me, yeah, alright, this, that. I never did go there, no. I said, thank God. I walk past him. Never again he could have given me one sweetie. But when they say, they normally have fat and fowl. I saw you go fat and fowl with mangoes. No, or whatever they say. So, young teenagers, female and both male. So if somebody just get up and give you something every day, so listen to me. They have some intent, and all of them, you know, but 99.999% of them have something in their intention because nothing no come free. Anything at all you get in life, you have to pay for it. If you not pay for it, your gingeration have to go pay for. Anyway, guys, good girl, Ringlight. Alright, so I'm going to get the extension, my plug in it, and all of that already. So, we have to turn it on. Yes. Ringlight. So, after 3, 1, press button. Alright, so I have the remote, guys, but I don't have no battery put in it. So, let's do the loops. Watch right, yes, sir. Ringlight. You know, so I'll put one in here and do a little click. So you can see the difference. You see? Alright, so you can change the colors. You can come and say you have different. You see that? Mood something. Me think this one I have one like a blue, I don't know. But yes, you can change the color and all of that. Good girl, happy over here. Ringlight. Yeah guys, so my bite behind digital. So it's in between Digicel, you know the street there? Where near Market Street? In between Digicel and St. James Street and Captain's. The street right there in Ilo Supermarket. One little Indian store there right around there. So they sell it around there. It's 6,100 and this is the 14-inch ring light. Everywhere else we go, I want a bag of money fee. See? You can see it, 14 inches ring light. Everywhere we go, I want a bag of money fee. So 6,100 in a St. James, Jamaica. Now so me get my little remote and thing. I show you one little clip now with my phone in a ring light. Girl, extra natural. Alright, so phone in a ring light. Oh, Spice new song go. Go down there, when I go down there, go down there, go down there, go down there, when I go down there, go down there, when I go down there. Yes, guys, so I'm happy so I get my ring light. Yes, so I think the video then I'm gonna make more. Me have more quality video now. One thing, go down there, go down there. Bye, guys.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?